morning. It's May 28th and it's a Tuesday, and I just finished eating some avocado toast and I'm watching the morning toast. And today's gonna be kind of a fun day. Brian's coming to visit me. If you didn't watch my post-grad video, basically I explained that we're living about an hour apart from each other. So I haven't seen him in about a week, which is like the longest we've gone without seeing each other since we started dating, I think. I might be wrong, but I feel like 6 days was the longest before, so a whole week is pretty long. So I'm really excited to see him. I can't wait. I think we're gonna go to Patriots Place in Boxborough, Mass. There's this bowling place there that I went to on my 21st birthday, and I've had a coupon for a free bowl and a coupon for a free dessert for 2 years that I have not used. So I thought it'd be fun to go do that because it's kind of a crappy day. We were gonna go to Boston, but we didn't really want to go to Boston on a crappy day, so I just thought it would be a fun day to vlog. Hello! Hi. I didn't know it was already raining.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Somehow we ended up at Trillium. Is this the same beer you got last time? No? I got the same beer I got last time because it's really good. What did you get?
This is a double dry hop 4-point ale.
Wow, that sounds very beery.
It's pretty beery.
Alright, I'm taking Brian to get the best ice cream of his life. Are you ready?
Yes.
Crescent Ridge.
Woo! Dink it and sink it.
What?
Dink it.
What is dink it?
Dink it.
Why is this dink it?
Dink it. Sink it.
Good?
I like their sprinkles.
Yeah, they have really good sprinkles. They're like little. I got a kitty size salted caramel chocolate pretzel. So it literally has like chocolate covered pretzels. It's so good. Brian, what did you get?
I got the largest small.
Yeah, if you guys come to Crescent Ridge, you know that like the kitty size is like the way to go. And I told him that. I said the small is huge. What's in Calprince though?
I think it's like moose tracks.
No peanut butter?
Probably.
Always getting stuff I can't eat.
Yep. That way I don't have to share.
Smart. Best ice cream you've ever had?
You haven't had moose yet.
What's that?
It's this place in Derry.
Dairy?
That has very good ice cream.
I'm trying to get Brian to teach me how to drive stick shift. How do you feel about me operating your car?
Scared.
Brian doesn't like when anyone drives his car. My hand is cold.
Mm-hmm. You need gloves.
I do need gloves. Someone texted me.
Did you see the Bruins won last night?
Yeah. Well, I fell asleep quick after they scored that third goal. Mm-hmm. But when I woke up, it was over. It was like 12:30. All my lights were still on. I still had my makeup on and everything. And I was like, shoot. And then I looked and they won. For a second I thought they lost because you didn't say anything about them winning and I was gonna be sad.
No, I fell asleep too.
I finally am getting to a pretzel.
Break spoon.
Oh my god, it's so good. Do you see that? There's literally like a whole chocolate covered pretzel. So good. Alright. So, plan is we go back to my house for like an hour and a half. Yeah? Or should we try to find an empty parking lot?
We can do both. Either or. Whatever you want.
Let's try to find an empty parking lot. Because my goal is to drive every day. And I didn't drive yesterday. I need to drive today. Look at this picture taking that's going on.
I can see
That was funny.
way.
She's like posed and everything. They do have a picture wall over there. It's kind of cute.
Mm-hmm.
You go take a picture?
Mm-hmm.
This is not a place that I would really go taking pictures. It's a good idea though, honestly.
And that cop would probably laugh at us.
Just like we just laugh at those girls.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. She just took like a jumping up boomerang.
Oh, of course.
Is this what I look like to people?
Yes.
Oh my god, she did it again!
Oh my god.
So funny. Hey. How is it?
Delicious.
Alright, we're going to a parking lot somewhere. I'm gonna try to drive in stick shift. And I'm really nervous.
Where to, Hullabaloo?
To the parking lot. I'm nervous. I don't want to break your car.
I'm not gonna break it.
Ah. Hey, I'm gonna have to adjust your seat.
That's fine.
Does your car have seat memory?
No.
Allie's does.
I don't even have a power seat.
Okay, so clutch, and you clutch with your left?
Left, yep.
That's so interesting.
So put your foot into the clutch, make sure it's comfortable.
Does your seat like move up?
Yep.
Like up?
Yep, you got the pump lever.
Where's that?
On the side. It's a big old lever.
Isn't that how you go back?
No. There's that one is back by your butt. This one's more by the thigh.
Oh.
It's all the way down right now. Yeah, there you go. And this looks like it's very close to you.
I need it close to me.
You don't need it that close to you.
Okay.
Put your foot, push the clutch in. You reach that?
Yeah.
All the way to the floor?
I have to push a little bit. So
And use the tip of your foot.
oh. Okay, yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Foot on the brake.
Well, I adjust the mirrors.
You're just driving around a parking lot.
Still, I want to see people behind me.
So foot in on the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna drop the parking brake. You put your foot on the brake, okay?
When you drop it, or?
Right now, put your foot on the brake.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, it feels so weird using 2 feet.
You get used to it. So right now you're in gear.
Okay.
I want you to take your foot off the brake and slowly. So you're gonna lay it on the gas and slowly. No. Lay off the gas. I said just put your foot on the gas.
Oh.
Don't give it gas.
Am I still on the clutch?
Yep, you're still in on the clutch.
Okay.
You're gonna slowly lift your foot up.
Okay.
And you're gonna give it a little bit of gas. Let go of the clutch.
Oh, completely?
Let go of the clutch, yep.
Oh.
Put it on the foot rest. No, don't stop. You stalled. Okay, I'm gonna put you in first gear.
Okay.
We're gonna turn the wheel and you're gonna slowly take your foot off the clutch and give it a little bit of gas, okay?
Okay.
Alright, keep going. Yep. You're doing fine.
God.
You're doing fine. You're doing
This
fine.
is so weird.
You're doing fine.
This is the weirdest feeling.
Don't stop the vehicle, just keep going. Keep driving in circles. You did the hardest part, and that's getting going.
Okay.
Just keep driving in circles.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna put your foot in on the clutch.
Hit a birdie. Okay.
Put in.
Yeah.
Now let go. There you go.
So I just shifted gears?
Yeah, you just shifted gears.
But I didn't do it.
No, I did it.
That's weird.
Nope,
Clutch.
let go of the clutch, you're in neutral.
Oh.
So you can brake.
Interesting.
Right. So,
Okay.
foot in on the clutch.
I want to do it myself.
Alright, foot in on the clutch.
Okay.
Foot, push the clutch to the floor. All the way to the floor. Now we're gonna go over and up. Now you're gonna slowly let go of the clutch and give the car just a little bit of gas.
Can I take my foot off the brake right now?
Yep. You're gonna move it to the gas.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you stalled, so foot in all the way on the clutch.
Okay.
Nope, we wanna be in neutral, so that's how we know we're in neutral.
Okay.
We're gonna start the car back up.
Okay.
We're gonna put it back into first gear. And slowly, real slow, just take your foot nicely off the clutch and give it a little bit of gas. Yep. It's a little rough. It gets better, I swear.
That's so funny. Okay, how do I switch to...
See how it says go up in the second? So you're gonna put
Where does it even say that? I didn't
right
see
on
it.
the center screen.
Oh my god, I can't see the center screen. Oh, it's because of the way the wheel was.
So keep turning. So foot all the way down and on the clutch while you're
How do I
turning.
do it?
Well, watch the road.
I'm watching the road.
So, foot all the way down on the clutch.
I just switched it. What did I switch it to? I don't even know.
No, you're not switched. Foot all the way in on the clutch. Oh, you did switch. All right, let go of the clutch. While you're moving. Oh, God. Yep. Not as good that time, but that's okay.
Oh, person, don't come over here.
Not that hard. You get used to it.
I don't think I could ever get used to this.
You can. Never say never.
I'm never buying a manual.
So how about get us over here so we're facing back this way. Slow down. Put the clutch in all the way. And stop. Jeez.
Oh my God.
Let's try another start.
Okay.
One more.
This is weird.
Foot in all the way on the clutch. We're gonna shift it to 2. Let go. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
You're bad at stopping.
It's so touchy.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Back in my comfort zone. We just took a nice power nap.
You didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I said you did.
Oh, you didn't sleep?
No.
I did. But now it's 3:30 and the bowling place opens at 4, so we're gonna head out. Yay! We're at Tom Brady's house. Hi, Tom. Your turn. It almost fell. Woo! I accidentally ordered this drink that I got on my birthday. Or I thought I got it on my birthday, and that it was a normal size drink, but I accidentally ordered a party cocktail. And it's this big bucket. So we're splitting it. Splitsville. I'm winning. BS. I always manage to go bowling when my nails are super long, and then I break my thumbnail on the ball. It's not focusing. Your thumbnail's fine.
No. My skin.
There we go. Very broken. Okay, bowling with 2 people is such a workout because you bowl every 5 freaking seconds. I'm literally sweating. Are you sweating?
It's raining.
No, but I'm sweating underneath my rain jacket. I'm so hot. Anyway, it's time for food. So we're going to my favorite Mexican restaurant, and I really like the Boston one better, but they have one at Legacy Place in Dedham. It's called Temazcal Tequila Cantina, and it's amazing. So I've been dying to have Brian try that, so we're gonna go there. Hey, I'm hungry.
I know, me too.
Do you like it? Do you? No, he doesn't. I love this place because they give you this free salsa and bean dip and everything. It's so good.
Salsa verde.
I think it's so funny that literally months ago I didn't like black beans and now I'm obsessed. I got rosé sangria, which I've never had before, but it's delicious. And it's so pretty. What'd you get?
A picante margarita.
Is it spicy? Oh, baby. Oh man, I'm so full. What about you?
Very.
I love their churros, but I couldn't even get dessert. It was just so, oh my god, like, I'm so full. But it was good. Also, my drink was really good, and I kept thinking it tasted like something I've had before, and I swear to god, it tastes exactly like the Barefoot rosé spritzer cans, and I really want to go buy them just to make Brian know that that's what they taste like. I'm convinced they just poured it in a glass and served it to me. We're watching Chernobyl. Is that how you say it? Chernobyl?
Chernobyl.
Chernobyl? Yeah. Peter, what are you doing? Oh my god, he's so cute. You're gonna fall. Chernobyl is good, but it's creepy as hell. But I want to see the rest of it. So Brian just went home, which was really sad, but I'm really glad I got to spend the day with him. It was a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm just watching Real Housewives of Beverly Hills now, and I should really go to bed really soon because I have to wake up early. I'm going with my friend Sabrina to the DMV. She has to renew her license, and I have to get my permit again because if you watch my post-grad video, basically I'm working on getting my license, and in that video I went into detail about why I don't have my license right now even though I'm 22 years old. But anyway, I thought that my permit expired in August, but it actually expires June 1st. So if I want to keep working on getting my license, then I have to get my permit again. So I'm hoping I can go tomorrow and get my permit again before it expires. I don't even know if that's allowed, but hopefully it is. I don't see why it wouldn't be. But yeah, so I have to go to the DMV in the morning, and then I actually managed to get some part-time work in my mom's office. So I'll be heading there afterwards to do some work, which would be really nice to get a little bit of pay, because I haven't really had a job in 2 months probably now. Just because I don't think I ever said this really, but I had a work-study job all throughout college. And basically the last couple weeks of my senior year, I ran out of financial aid money, and once they give it all out, they can't really give you any more. So I was not able to work for the last couple weeks of school, and I didn't see the point in getting a job in Durham again before I was going to be moving back home. So I've been jobless for a while, so it'll be nice to have a little bit of an income. And then later on in the day, I'm going hiking with my friend Kim. I should really get to bed. It's 9:30, which isn't that bad, but when I have to wake up earlier than 10, I like to go to bed by 10 at the latest. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!